my name's Haley Kent, and today we are going to be installing a corded damper into an SDP unit. First, we are going to start with our rivet punch. It is set at 3/4 of an inch. We will put our guide into the middle of our inlet. We will line up right here onto the edge of the collar. It will line up with this line right here on the edge. Switch to the other side. Do the same thing. Next, we will line up our corded collar. We will get the cords out of the way by sticking them through the top of the unit. We will line up our rivet and our hole to the hole inside of the collar. Next, we will want to rivet the hole on this side to make sure it free spins. We will take our rivet gun and tighten these rivets. This would be our corded